Welcome back to Mr. J's channel. In this episode, I'll be cooking some of Mr. J's signature dishes. Let's begin. So let's check out what we got. I got some Italian pasta, and this is the rotini, okay? And I got some fresh mushrooms, so tomato and basil pasta sauce. I have some portobello pasta sauce left over from last time, so I'm going to be finished using that as well. And I'll be making some chicken wings as well. This is already marinated. You can't really see it, but you'll see it when I prepare it. Got some halal ground beef. You know, the only reason I got this is because it was cheaper than the regular ground beef. Who doesn't like a great deal, right? So, and here is some Atlantic salmon, so I'll be air frying that as well. Some seafood mushrooms. So first of all, let's cook the pasta first. Okay, time to bring out my air fryer. It's a pretty big capacity. And then I'll use some parchment paper and aluminum foil so I can line the chicken wings here. Some people may not agree. Why are you using that? It's because you're using an air fryer. There's this thing that, you know, drains the oil. I don't want to be cleaning that, you know, after this dinner. It's super messy, so I like to use it this way. Okay, let's check out the marinated chicken wings. Oh, smells so good. Okay, now let's layer them in. Okay, let's layer them. So if you're asking me what sauce is that, it's Mr. J's secret sauce. Okay. Maybe if I become super famous, I'll start selling this sauce later on, like some of the other YouTubers. Okay, so you know, this portion is just for 2 people. So we have enough. Let's put it in the air fryer. Alright, so our water is boiling. Let's put the pasta in. Okay, so it's for 2 people portion. Usually what I do is I just grab 2 handfuls. Throw it in like that. Okay, looks like a little another handful. Okay, that's it. That's enough. Okay. Let it cook for about 5 minutes. Okay, so I put the chicken wings in the air fryer. Let's turn it on and air fry function. Okay, start. Okay, as the pasta is cooking, I want to adjust the air frying of the chicken wings to 5 minutes each side. Okay, as I'm waiting for the chicken wings and the pasta to cook, I chopped up some shallots. Make the sauce right now with the mushroom sauce and the meat. Okay, the pasta is almost done. I like it al dente. Looks like it is. And the chicken wings, time to turn to the other side. Looks amazing. Time to flip it. Okay, so let's do another 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Now time to stir fry the shallots, the mushrooms, and the meat. Okay, I added a bit of beef, and I'm gonna stir fry with the shallots. Okay, chicken wings are done. Let's see how they are. Wow, amazing. Looks super crispy. Okay, so I just added some seasoning, salt and pepper to the beef. Stir fry it for a couple minutes until the meat turns a little bit, see that crust there? The brown, that's what I'm looking for. Okay. And then I will add the mushrooms. Okay, time to add the mushrooms. I chopped up 5 mushrooms. Okay. Let's stir fry that for about a minute or 2 before adding the sauce in. So the pasta is done. Let's drain the water. Okay, I drained it and left some pasta water to make the sauce. Okay, so I'm gonna use the leftover portobello pasta sauce and add in the pasta sauce in here, so I can make full use of it and see if I need more sauce from today's shopping. Okay, let's pour the rest inside. Now let's add the pasta in and mix it together. Okay, let's see if I need to add more sauce. Let me turn off the water. Okay, let's see if I need to add more sauce. Okay, looks like I don't need any more sauce. Let's do a taste test. Oh, super delicious. Okay, so that's done. Let's turn off the heat and prepare the salmon. Ended up not using the pasta sauce or the tomatoes, but I'll save that for tomorrow's dinner. Okay, so this is what we need to prepare the salmon. Mayonnaise, seafood mushroom. I'll just layer it at the bottom and put this on the top and season it with the mayonnaise and maybe some salt and pepper. So we might just need half of the seafood mushroom, layer it at the bottom and put the salmon on top, but the skin facing up. Okay, I just seasoned the seafood mushroom with salt and pepper and some special spices. I'll put the mayonnaise on top here and then flip it over so the skin is on top when I'm air frying it. Okay, so I put the mayonnaise on, just like that. Or actually, this one doesn't have a skin, so it's okay, no problem. Like that. Okay, so since this salmon fillet, they took the skin off, so I'll spray some oil on top. Okay, just like that, and I'll season it with the salt and pepper on this side as well. Alright, so let's put it into the air fryer. While I'm waiting for the salmon to cook, I'll be cleaning up the kitchen. A great chef always cleans the kitchen right after they cook. So for the salmon, I'll just do 7 minutes total. Okay, so the kitchen is clean. All the grills are clean, just waiting for the salmon to cook. I'll check on it at 3 minutes. Okay, so that's 3 minutes. Let's check it. Wow, look at that. Okay, so I'm not gonna flip it over, I'll just keep air frying it. Okay, so the salmon is done. Let's check on it. Amazing. Amazing. Okay, let's put it on the plate. See the mushrooms at the bottom, it's still very tender. Okay, perfect texture, fully cooked. And the seafood mushroom, the end's a little bit burnt. That's okay. The middle part is still very tender. Dinner is served. That's it for today's episode. If you enjoyed watching Mr. J cook, hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos. Stay tuned and I'll see you soon.